how to convert Excel files to Google Forms. So if you want to convert your Excel files to Google Forms, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser. Unless you're on your browser, you just need simply go with your Google Drive. We need Google Drive and Google Forms in this video. So first you need to open up your Google Drive and then go with new, which is here on the left side, and then go with upload file and upload your Excel file. Once you've uploaded your Excel file, you will find your Excel file right here. So you just need simply go with the three dots, which will be on the top right, go with open with, and here you need to select Google Sheets. Now you need to go with your Google Forms and then go with an existing form or a new form and enter all of the details like questions or options. And once you've done with it, you need to just go and publish it. And after publishing, you need to go with the responses section. And under responses, you will have an option of link to sheets. You need to click on link to sheets, and then you will have two options, which is create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet. So you need to go with select an existing spreadsheet and go with select, which will be on the top right. And here you need to go and select the spreadsheet. Like for example, we've just saved this one. So you need to just click on the spreadsheet and then go with insert, which is here on the bottom right. And once the spreadsheet has been inserted, it will show you all of your results right here. It will automatically connect to your spreadsheet. That's how you can convert Excel files to Google Forms. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.